friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. Let's talk about the Dollar General 5 off 20, valid for the next 2 weeks. If you have it in you to do a bit of shopping on Christmas Eve, I have some fantastic deals for you. So I told you guys right away to load this coupon on Christmas Day because it is a gift. And when it will stack with this guy on Saturday the 31st, you get $10 of savings on a $25 basket. And then that is a little bit of magic and razzle dazzle. Now, I'll let you guys know that not all stores this works at. An example of where it's not going to work is a store where you're getting 3 receipts printed out and everything looks like self-checkout printing. That's your first clue. The keypad is a touch screen. There's not a physical keypad. So just be mindful of that. Maybe buy like a 40-cent candy to see if this guy prints yay or nay. And if this is printing, the stack will not work. Non-updated store, the receipt will look like this. Perhaps look for one in a cart or buy like a 40-cent candy or whatever. I did a stack a couple months back, and yeah, as you can see, it worked beautifully. And it was working like a couple weekends ago. Sorry I didn't get a photo of my receipt, but yes, it was working. So again, you really got to pay attention. Non-updated stores, this will work. Check, if there's a keypad, how the receipts are printing. You really got to pay attention. Maybe park it at the front of the store. Pay attention. So as discussed, on the 31st, you'll have the biggest savings where the 5 off 20 and the 5 off 25 stack. Double, triple check the prices. With inflation, you never know. End of year, prices may change. Prices might not change. All digital coupons and per account are of a one-time use. And check in the wallet to see where your coupons are. People will load their coupons and say that they're missing. You got to go to the wallet section of the Dollar General app. Do not add a bunch of stuff to your cart in the Dollar General app for an in-store pickup. It will not show that it's working as well. And do not use a self-checkout. You got to use a lane with a physical cashier. Hey friends, so this is an any day deal, the first one, because I know to go out on New Year's Eve, a lot of you probably won't be able to swing that. We're going to load this guy, which is a 5 off of 20 to your account, and you're going any day this week. We're going to grab one of these beautiful gains for $15.95, and we have a $3 digital. See that stack when you scan the barcode? Boom. We're also going to grab 2 of these cleansers by Mr. Clean with the Gain scent, so it has to have the Gain logo on the bottle, and there's a $3.25 off of 2. Load that digital coupon. Get the math for this. We're grabbing one of those detergents for $15.95. 2 of the Mr. Clean with Gain scent cleansers or floor cleaner, multi-surface cleaners, $3.25 a pop, times 2 is $6.50 for a grand total of $22.45. As the cashier is scanning your merchandise, punch in your phone number, 5 off 20 will come off, along with $6.25 of digital manufacturers. You're paying $11.20 for the 3 items, shaking it out to $3.73 per product. So this is a very good deal. You're getting a bit of savings. Obviously, Saturday is a little bit better price range wise, but if you really have an itch to get out to the Dollar General, this is not the worst deal. Okay, the next deal that we have is for Saturday the 31st. Remember, we're going out on that specific date. We're going to load these 2 digitals that are a 5 off 20 and the 5 off 25, and we're looking for a non-updated store. In our cart, we're going to grab 1 large detergent, 2 of the Mr. Clean with Gain scent multi-surface cleaners, and 1 dish soap. So this guy for $15.95. And double, triple check the scent that you're grabbing because this $3 wasn't attaching to like some of the weird scents. Just double check. 2 of these guys for $3.25, so that's $6.50 for the 2. And remember, you're grabbing the one that says Gain on the bottle. And then we're going to load this gem, which is a $3.25 off of 2. And then the last item to get your basket right to $25, one of these soaps for $2.70. And triple check that price at your store. So again, we're heading there on Saturday. We're going to throw 1 Gain detergent for $15.95 into the basket. 2 of the Mr. Clean with Gain for $6.50, and then 1 Gain dish soap for $2.70 for a grand total of $25.15. We're also at a non-updated store. As the cashier is scanning all of your merchandise, punch in your phone number. 5 off 20, 5 off 25 will come off, along with $6.25 of digital manufacturers. You're paying $8.90 for the 4 items, shaking out each product to $2.22 each. This right here is extreme couponing, and to get items for $2.25, like that big container of Gain, that's what it's fully about. Just such a fabulous, fabulous deal. I'm very excited by this one. Great, great deal. Okay, the next deal that I have prepared for you, just augmenting the last basket a little bit. So we're going to load our two best friends that are the 5 off 20 and the 5 off 25. And remember, we're going on Saturday. For this basket, we're going to grab one of the Gain detergents for $15.95 and then two of those cleaners for $6.50. We're going to load the following coupons that include the $3 off for the detergent and the $3.25 off for the two Gain scented Mr. Clean products. We're also going to look in the Christmas seasonal aisle for this Airwick kit. There's the pumpkin flavored one and then this apple one, and they are on clearance for $8.63. This might be a tall order to find because people around here especially have been buying them like crazy, but we have this really nice $5 off coupon, so we want to utilize it for this specific deal. So if you can find that, a little bit of magic. Looking at the overall basket, again, we're going there on Saturday the 31st. One Gain detergent for $15.95, two of the Mr. Clean with Gain for $6.50, one Airwick holiday kit for $8.63 for a grand total of $31.08. As the cashier's scanning all of your merchandise, punch in your phone number. 5 off 20, 5 off 25 Dollar General coupons will come off, along with $11.25 of digital manufacturers. You're paying $9.83 for the 4 items, shaking it out to $2.45 per product. What a superb deal. Final dealio, we're going to go in a completely different direction. Again, we're going shopping on Saturday the 31st. You're going to need your two best friends loaded that include the 5 off 20 and the 5 off 25. So the first item we're going to grab is a bag of the Gain Flings for $7.50. And we're going in a total different avenue because my sneakiest suspicion is that a lot of that Mr. Clean Gain cleanser will be gone by the weekend. People are going to go hard on this. So anyhow, we're grabbing a bag of these. We're going to load this $2 digital coupon, so make sure you have it loaded. Then we're going to grab the Big Mama for $15.95. And there is a good amount of detergent in there. And then we're going to load this $3 digital coupon. So use it or lose it by Saturday the 31st. We're also going to grab one of these lotions for $4 by Vaseline. Sorry, I didn't grab a photo, guys. I forgot. And then we're going to load this coupon, which is a $2 off that's attaching to said product. Okay, so the math for this, and again, it is Saturday the 31st only. One Gain detergent for $15.95, one Gain Fling for $7.50, one Vaseline for $4, for a grand total of $27.45. As the cashier scanning your merchandise, punch in your phone number. 5 off 20, 5 off 25 should come off, along with $7 in digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. You're paying $10.45 for the 3 items, shaking it out to $3.48 per product. Not the worst little dealio. It's just a different kind of deal. If you cannot find that Gain multi-surface cleaner, or the Gain Mr. Clean multi-surface cleaner, I suspect that will be gone really quickly, especially if you go couponing later in the day. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.